So, oh shit.
Okay, get out of there, go! Judd, go! That felt like a ton of bricks, didn't it?
Oh no.
With the catch on.
I don't know.
It's coming, it's coming. It's coming.
Want me to push it?
No, stay out of there.
Oh, it's fucking right there.
That crotch is holding it.
Hold on.
Can you, maybe if you could get in there and give a little, just a little tweakle. No, you never do it that way. You got to get the saw. But you get the fuck out of there when it,
Cracking still.
there it goes.
I didn't expect that limb to come down.
Those are called widowmakers. I think I got it off. When is it off when there's two little dots? Or is it got to be the red dot? How do you get it?